Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel English Literature. I am Ankita and we gather here to discuss Indian English Literature. In last video we talked about Toru Dutt and her short life in which she contributed a lot to Indian English Literature. Okay, so I'm really very sorry for my throat. It is paining a lot, so I can't do anything for this. I'm really very sorry for this. But yes, we'll discuss about Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Chattopadhyay. Okay, so let's begin with a quick introduction. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, often referred to as a Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a prominent Indian novelist, poet and journalist in 19th century. His contributions to Indian literature and the Indian independence movement are significant. Here is a comprehensive overview of his context. Okay, additionally go for early life and education. Birth and family background. Born on 27 June 1838 in Bengal, Bankim Chandra came from an orthodox Brahmin family. His father Yadav Chandra Chattopadhyay was a deputy collector, a position of prominence in British. So as we know, if a person working in a government or has a position like collector, so that is mean he is economically fine, means his status is approximately fine and he doesn't need to struggle much more than others. Okay, so next one is his education. He was one of the first graduates of the University of Calcutta in 1858, obtaining a degree in arts. He later completed his law degree and joined government service as his father. Okay, so next one is that literary contributions. Pioneering novel. Bankim Chandra is considered one of the key figures in Bengali literature. His first novel was Durgesh Nandini 1865, marked the beginning of Bengali fiction. So here we can say that Durgesh Nandini was the beginning, means from that point the Bengali fiction started. Okay, so let's also talk about major works of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Kapil Kundala 1866, considered one of his finest works. Anand Math 1882, a seminal novel that introduced the song Vande Mataram, which became a national anthem for Indian freedom fighters. Other notable works include Devi Chandrani 1884 and Krishna Gantharval 1878. These are his major works which are notable. Okay, minded. So let's discuss about his literary style and themes. First is blending of styles. His works combine romance, historical and narrative and social commentary, drawing on both Indian and Western literary transitions. Themes such as nationalism, social reform and women's emancipation. His portrayal of historical setting often highlighted the glory of ancient India and critiqued contemporary social issues. So also discuss influence on Indian nationalism. Okay. First talk about Vande Mataram. The song from Anand Math became a powerful symbol of Indian nationalism. It inspired freedom fighters and was later adopted as the national song of India. As we all know that Vande Mataram is our national song, and whenever we are singing it, we always feel powerful, energetic and patriotic. Okay. Nationalist ideals. Bankim Chand's novel often depicted the struggle against oppression and the need for unity and self-reliance among Indians. His writings played a crucial role in awakening national consciousness. Go further. Journalism and public life. Editorial work. Bankim Chandra edited several magazines including Bang Darshan, which the founded in 1872, the periodical became a platform for discussing social, political, and literary issues. Another one is government services. Government service. Despite his critical stance towards British rule in his writings, he served in the British administration, retiring as a deputy magistrate in 1891. Besides being an author, he was also serving as deputy magistrate in 1891. Okay, so also focus on these things too. Another one is legacy and recognition. Literary legacy. Often regarded as the father of modern Bengali literature, his works continue to be read and studied for their literary merit and historical significance. Another one is influence on future generations. Inspired later writers and intellectuals including Rabindranath Tagore. His contributions to the Indian literary canon and the nationalist movement are celebrated to this day. So his works also became an inspiration for future generation. For an example, we can take that Rabindranath Tagore. And another one is posthumous honors. His influence extended beyond literature into Indian cultural and political life, making him as a central figure in the history of modern India. Okay, so Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was an central figure in history of modern India. So this is important. Also noted down. These were some important points which I thought to sharing to you. Also, let me tell you that there will be only a one question about Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, so I'm not sharing much about him. Only focus on his life and his major works. These are the things on which we have to focus much than another things. Okay, so I'm only sharing these things. Let's focus on conclusion as well. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's multifaceted contribution as a novelist, poet, journalist and nationalist have left an indelible mark on Indian literature and history. His ability to inspire, though his writing and his role in shaping national identity make him a towering figure in India's cultural and political landscape. His pioneering works not only enriched Bengali literature but also played a pivotal role in Indian independence movement. Through his profound exploration of themes such as nationalism, social reform, and cultural pride, he inspired generation of Indians to strive for a free and just society. Bankim Chand's legacy continues to be celebrated, underscoring his enduring influence on India's cultural and political landscape. To talk that it is crystal clear that his works his works always make people very energetic and always that being patriotic and inspired people to part in freedom fighting. So that was all for today. Thank you to watching the video. Also subscribe channel and like the video. Stay connected, stay healthy. Bye bye.